Hello, how are you doing today? I remain Abraham Salakor and I am your teacher for today. Welcome to your course. How have you been? Today we want to talk about this and that. This and that. This, that. It's closer to me and it's there. For example, I can say this is an apple. This is an apple. That is an apple. This, that. This is a table. This is a table. That is a table. This is a cat. That is a cat. So we can also say it is a bag. It is a bag when we're talking about all objects. All objects. Bag, table, chair, floor, window. It is all object. But when it is closer to you, you say this. This is a bag. And you say that is a bag. Maybe the bag is here. Ha! Semi-cool bag. And when you say that, you say the bag is farther away. Cool bag. This is a bag. That is a bag. And this is the main idea. Now, we have a question. This is positive. This is positive. What is the question? The question is what? 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 What is this? That. What is this or that? You can use anything. You can also use this. What is it? What is this or that? You can ask the same question. For example, you can come here and say, hey, what is this? What is this? This is a marker. This is a marker. You can say, what is that? What is that? That is a marker. This, that. So quick questions for you. Are you ready? What is that? That is a car. What is this? What is this? This is a car. What is that? That is a mango. This is a mango. That is a bag. This is a bag. Go for yourself. Yeah, and that is it. This, that. This, that. Practice that, and we meet again in our next video. If you haven't watched the previous video, check it out here, and I will be waiting for you on the next one. See you. Goodbye.